Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up a rules channels in Discord Mobile. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Once the app opens, go to the server where you want to add the rules channel. You can find your servers listed on the left side of the screen. Tap on the server you want to manage, and once you enter the server, tap on the server name at the top. After tapping on the server name, a menu will appear. From this menu, go to Server Settings. Inside the Settings page, look for the Channels option and tap on it. This section allows you to create or edit channels in your server. Now, tap on the Create option to add a new channel. Choose the option to create a channel, and then select Text Channel, because rules are usually posted as text. In the channel name field, type the name for your channel. For example, you can type rules or rules channel, depending on your preference. After entering the name, make sure the channel type is set to text, which allows messages, images, GIFs, and other content to be posted. You can also decide whether you want the channel to be private or visible to all members. If everything looks good, tap Create at the top of the screen. This will create your rules channel. Once the channel has been created, open the rules channel you just made. To add rules or customize it further, tap on the Edit Channel option. Here, you can add information in the channel topic section where you can write your server rules. For example, you might add rules like respecting other members, avoiding spam, and following community guidelines. One important step is to make the rules channel read-only so that only admins can post messages. To do this, go to Channel Permissions. From here, you can choose specific roles or members who are allowed to send messages. Usually, you allow only administrators or moderators to post, while regular members can only read the rules. After adjusting the permissions and adding your rules, tap Save in the top right corner. Now, your rules channel is ready. Members in your server will be able to read the rules but won't be able to send messages, which helps keep the channel clean and organized. And that's it. So that's basically how you can set up a rules channels in Discord Mobile. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.